Okay, here we are, guys, back again. We haven't really done an updated plastic video, but we got all the plastic up all around the high tunnel. There's a couple areas we need to fill in over here just to level it out. We've actually already started the leveling process for today. So the main thing we're working on is building soil up against the side areas right here. As you can see, we have like a little bit of some gaps, and we want to prevent this water buildup right here. So that's why we're collecting all this extra water here within this area. And if you've seen any of our other previous videos, this area right here was actually like a smaller hole, but we got all that fixed up. And this area also over here on the side was a little bit uneven, but we got it more even than what it was before. And 9 times out of 10, we're going to have like a slanted area right here so we can divert the water downhill, and eventually we're going to bring in some more soil to level out this general area right here, because we have like a little bit of a slope, and that'll open up this area right here because we're going to put some raised beds right here where those logs are and everything. And we're going to take a look inside just to kind of see where we're at with the leveling and all that. Okay, so let's get in here. So we got a few raised beds installed. I don't want to build too many in here because then we'll have to like move a bunch of things around. So what we're doing is just digging up all this dirt on the sides, because it's probably hard for you guys to be able to see the elevation difference, but we have like a hill right here in this area. So we're just going to grab a wheelbarrow and put all this in the barrel and then move it to this side, because there's a little bit of a difference with the leveling. So once we do that, we're just gonna just kind of make our way downward and level out the areas in different sections as best as possible. That's like the best suggested way. So there is more of a gap difference, but we got these bricks installed just to kind of keep a lot of the larger animals out, and the corners where we have the plastic, we're gonna get that tightened up, everything screwed in, and it's going to look a lot better in here. So again, if you haven't seen any of our previous videos, we're basically going to have both sides filled with raised beds, and we actually have our lemon trees over there. Had those outside the high tunnel for a little bit, so it's going to take them about a week or two just to acclimate to the inside of the high tunnel. And we have one bigger one on the outside. I think I might have had that on video. So yeah, we're gonna do as much as we can today, and start moving some of the raised beds towards these corners over here, and that will help with the water distribution, and when we're growing things, the water is going to the plants evenly. So we do have a few flowers in here that are already growing, dandelions, and we have like a few small blue flowers in here. Never seen those before, so it's a good sign things are going good. So eventually, after we build our other raised beds, we will start filling it up with different seeds and vegetables, different things of that nature, and we'll do a video of our progress here soon. And that's basically about it for now. Feel free to send us any questions or tips you would like to provide or help with. But other than that, oh yeah, one more thing. We're probably going to do like cedar wood on this side and maybe some locusts. We're going to have different types of wood in here just so people can get a better understanding of what you can use and what the plants actually prefer better. So I want to do like a mini experiment just to kind of see how everything works with the soil health, plant health, and all that. But that's basically it for now. See you guys soon.